name's Sophie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a butter slime. So all you're going to need is white glue, bicarb soda, eye contact solution, and if you want to you can add food colouring and any type of food colouring, but I chose green because I don't have any more yellow, and clay. I chose air dry clay, but you can use any clay soda that you can like push and mould. And so first you're going to add the glue. I already added the glue and the bicarb, and just speaking of that, I have another video that shows if you want to learn how to make slime, you can go watch that video and it'll tell you how to make slime. It's called my first slime video, little like C marks like that, no borax, and if you search that up you'll learn how to make slime. Okay, and now after you add the glue and the bicarb soda, you're just gonna add some eye contact solution. Now, don't add too much eye contact solution at first, and just start mixing. And if you made a butter slime like me before, this is probably a different way, because last time I added my clay in like this, but this time I'm going to make the slime and then add the clay in, which is different from what I did before because it didn't work out. So just if the slime isn't actually coming together, then you should just add more eye contact solution, and if it's really sticky, then you should add more bicarb. And you can also add shaving foam to make it fluffy, but I'm not going to do that today because that's one more ingredient that I don't really want to use. So once you sort of have the texture and things, and if it's sticky, you also add more bicarb. I think I've already said that. Probably have. But now you just have to mix and wait and wait and wait. And also, I've got a question for you guys to see about the eye contact solution. Do you think eye contact solution and saline solution are the same thing or different thing? So if so comment down below if you think they're the same thing or different. So you can now, when it's like this sort of, then you should add the food coloring. Now try just to add a capful. Or if you're using like a dark colour, only use a quarter or 3/4 or a half, and just pour it in. And then mix it in. And if you add too much food colouring, it's going to, when you put it in a container, it's gonna like, or the food colouring is gonna leak out, and then you can't touch it. You can't touch it until you clean up all the food colouring. That's why I use a capful. And if that's not enough food colouring, you can always add more. taking so long, my arm's starting to hurt. they didn't add enough food colouring. Okay, that's still sticky. That was a lot. No, I can't get any of that out. Just keep mixing. See, it's coming together now when it's like this. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, that's still a little sticky, but I can fix that. And you don't want it to be, you want it to still be a tiny bit sticky for the clay to stick in a little. So you just have it a tiny bit sticky, not too sticky though. Now you want to like try to lift it out of the bowl. And if it's like a big slime, it can be really heavy. So watch out for that. So sticky. No, stay up here. And if you're allowed to put it on your table, you can put it on your table, but I am not allowed to, so I have to put it on the chopping board. I'm allowed to put it on this table, but it's dirty, so I put it on the chopping board. Okay, this is a tiny bit sticky. I think I need a tiny bit more. Back up, so don't fall. Okay, so after that, that's a little much. That's it. You just mix in. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some of this. Now just add a little bit in first. See how this clay, like, you can really squish it and you can sort of stretch it like that. This clay sort of works good when you can do that. Now you just have to play it. You can use as much as if you're, the bigger the slime, the more you use, but you just need to like mix it in until you like can't, when you poke it you can't feel it. Like I can still feel it and I can pick it up here. I can feel it. And I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. So I'm going to add a little bit more, but just a little bit because this is already quite a lot. That's a little much. See, this bit's better to show because this bit's like not as dry, but you can just like pull it apart. Now I just want to mix it in until, yeah, again, you can't feel it. So you just need to try to mix it in, which is the hardest part. This is actually sort of working out for me, unlike the last one where I took what still isn't all mushed in, and it's been like a month or two. So that's the end of the video. See you next time. And remember to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Bye!